Hello viewers, today we are going to see how to make an effective presentation using colorful slides. In the previous video, I have told you about the assessment technique. If you have not seen my video, I have pasted the link in the description box. You can watch it. Now, without delay, let's get into the video. I'm going to introduce about 3 websites where one is Lights Carnival and one is Lights Gala and one is Lights Go. They have a interesting ready-made PowerPoint templates. If you don't have more designs to explore your presentation, you can try these websites. And now let's see how to get into these websites. You can see I am typing Slides Carnival. It takes me to the respective website. You can click the first one which you get. Ask you to log in. If at all you wanted to log in also, you can use your Google account. So it's completely free to download all the templates depending on the presentation you have. So this is how you get all the ready-made templates. But if you download one, obviously you get nearly 37 to 35 slides. So let me click and show you one. So if you want to go to a preview and you wanted to download, you can do it. If you wanted to download as a Google slide, you can do it using this option. You wanted to download this as a PowerPoint template, you can download this. So this is how you can take the ready-made templates. So let me show you how it is. All the slides you can have a glance over here. Then if you are interested, you can download the respective PowerPoint. This is Slides Carnival, where you can find interesting ready-made PowerPoints for your presentation. So next, let us see Slides Gala. So this is the respective website Slides Gala. You can click onto it where you can see. So you can see the ready-made templates are available. Whichever you want, you can select and you can download it. So let me view the latest template. So I want this template. Let me see this. So you can see how it comes and you can download it as a PowerPoint template. You can use it as a Google slide theme. So you can download the templates whichever required for you using this respective website. So now let us discuss Slides Go. This is the third one we are going to see. It is Slides Go. So you can see here slidesgo.com. The same way you can select the PowerPoint templates whichever necessary for you. Let me select this and show. See, if you wanted to download this particular template, just click this. Use the same way in all the 3 websites. If you see, you have the options of downloading it as a Google Slides or you can download it as a PowerPoint. So it's really interesting to see all these things. You can see the different templates which is available in the Slides Go. This one I thought of downloading it now. You can see how different it is. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. You have found something interesting today for making your presentation very effective and innovative. I hope you will try all these 3 websites and put your comments down below. Happy learning and thank you.